Hello everyone, today I have a review of another German knife, this time from Pohl company, model Bravo 1 Classic. It's worth to mention that this time the knife doesn't come from Solingen but from Burscheid. The box contains certificate of authenticity with the number 230023, which is also visible on the knife. Instructions on how to carry for the knife in English. Sticker and knife itself. Total length is 19.5 centimeters, blade length is 8.3 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters. The steel of the blade is ATS-34, it's a high-class Japanese stainless steel, tempered to 59 HRC, dark stonewash finish. On the blade there's a manufacturer's name, on the other you can see a logo of the manufacturer, and the name of the steel. ATS-34. Opening with nail nick. Backlock which collapses securely. The handle scales are made of light brown GRP. GRP is a glass fiber reinforced plastic, very original texturing, very comfortable handle. On the back you can see, mentioned before, the serial number from the certificate, 23-0023, and the inscription Pohl design. The wire pocket clip, minimalistic, but I like it very much. You can reverse it to the other side. Hole for paracord. In summary, quite original but fully useful design, well made, mechanics works great, no imperfections or looseness, good steel, so what more could you want? Decent EDC tool with a military culture. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.